Most Nissan Pathfinder owners have no idea they're driving around with features that could save them money, make road trips easier, and even help their SUV last longer. One hidden system can help protect your tires, another unlocks information buried deep inside the vehicle's electronics, and the number one feature solves a daily frustration that families deal with almost every time they use the third row. Ignite your engines. You're on the grid with Motor Maven. Today, we're uncovering the hidden Pathfinder features Nissan rarely highlights, but once you discover them, you'll wonder why more owners aren't using them. Let's start with a technology package that's far more advanced than most drivers realize. Number 5. Advanced tech features hiding in plain sight. Most Pathfinder owners pair their phone, start their favorite playlist, and head out without realizing how much technology is working behind the scenes. The available Bose premium audio system isn't simply about adding more speakers. Nissan engineered it to deliver a refined listening experience by optimizing sound reproduction throughout the cabin, helping vocals, instruments, and details sound clearer and more natural. The Pathfinder's quiet cabin plays a major role as well. Acoustic glass, enhanced insulation, improved sealing, and a stiffer body structure help reduce wind and road noise, creating an environment that feels surprisingly upscale. Add Sirius XM 360L and Nissan's connected services, and the SUV can provide navigation updates, fuel prices, weather reports, traffic alerts, and travel information even when smartphone coverage becomes unreliable. Many owners paid for these capabilities but rarely explore everything the system offers. But hidden technology isn't limited to entertainment and connectivity. Some of the Pathfinder's most impressive features are sitting directly in front of the driver every time the engine starts. Number 4. A digital command center most drivers ignore. One of the Pathfinder's most advanced features sits directly in front of the driver, yet many owners barely use its full potential. The available 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster can display navigation, tire pressure, fuel economy, trip data, safety alerts, and driver assistance information in customizable layouts. The available 10.8-inch head-up display adds even more convenience by projecting speed, navigation directions, speed limits, and warnings onto the windshield, helping drivers keep their eyes on the road. When ProPilot Assist is active, the display even shows lane markings surrounding vehicles and system status in real time. The Pathfinder's digital displays can also communicate information most drivers never realize their SUV is capable of monitoring. And as we'll see next, there's an entire layer of vehicle data hidden beneath the surface that most owners never discover. But what if the Pathfinder could show you information that most owners never even realize exists? Hidden beneath the standard displays is a layer of vehicle data that feels more like something dealership technicians use than everyday drivers. Number 3. The hidden diagnostic information most owners never see. Most Pathfinder owners rely on warning lights and dealership visits to learn what's happening beneath the surface of their SUV. What many don't realize is that the Pathfinder contains hidden diagnostic information that can reveal far more than the standard dashboard ever shows. Buried within the vehicle's software is a service-level menu capable of displaying useful system data normally associated with technician inspections. Depending on the model and software version, owners can access information such as battery voltage, GPS signal strength, satellite connectivity, navigation accuracy, and various system status indicators. While it's not intended to replace professional diagnostics, it offers a fascinating glimpse into the Pathfinder's electronic architecture and the countless systems working behind the scenes every day. For enthusiasts who enjoy understanding their vehicle, discovering this hidden information feels like unlocking a secret control center Nissan rarely talks about. It's one of those features many owners never use, despite having it available throughout the life of the vehicle. Knowing what your Pathfinder is doing behind the scenes can be incredibly useful, but the next hidden feature can actually help save money, improve safety, and extend the life of one of the most expensive wear items on your SUV, its tires. Before we reveal the final 2 hidden Pathfinder features, we'd appreciate it if you could hit that like button and subscribe to Motor Maven. It helps us bring more in-depth vehicle insights, ownership tips, and automotive discoveries directly to enthusiasts like you. Now, speaking of saving money over the long term, the next feature can help extend tire life while improving fuel economy every single day. Number 2. The tire pressure assistant most owners overlook. Most vehicles simply warn you when tire pressure drops too low. The Pathfinder goes a step further with Nissan's Tire Inflation Assistance System. While adding air, the SUV actively monitors pressure changes and helps drivers reach the recommended specification without constantly checking a gauge. Hazard lights indicate monitoring, and the horn sounds when proper pressure is achieved. If you continue inflating beyond the target, the system provides another warning. This simple feature can improve fuel economy, braking performance, ride comfort, and tire longevity. Considering today's tire replacement costs, maintaining proper inflation can save owners significant money while helping the Pathfinder deliver its best performance year-round. Yet as useful as proper tire maintenance can be, it still isn't the Pathfinder's most valuable hidden feature. The number one spot belongs to something families appreciate almost every time they climb inside the vehicle. Number 1. The family-friendly seating solution that changes everything. The Pathfinder's most impressive hidden feature isn't found under the hood or inside the infotainment system. It's the clever latch and glide seating system. Unlike many three-row SUVs, the second-row seat can tilt and slide forward even when a compatible child safety seat remains securely attached. That means easier third-row access without removing or reinstalling the child seat every time. Higher trims equipped with captain's chairs offer even more flexibility thanks to a removable center console that creates a convenient walk-through path. For busy families, grandparents, and growing households, this thoughtful design often proves more valuable than extra horsepower or flashy technology, improving everyday usability in ways owners appreciate constantly. And that perfectly captures what makes the Pathfinder unique. Many of its best features aren't the ones featured in advertisements. They're the ones owners benefit from every single day. Final verdict: the hidden genius behind Pathfinder ownership. The Nissan Pathfinder delivers much more than comfortable transportation for families. Beneath its practical exterior are thoughtful engineering solutions designed to improve ownership in ways many drivers never discover. Features like advanced connectivity, customizable digital displays, maintenance-friendly engineering, intelligent tire inflation assistance, and the innovative latch and glide seating system showcase Nissan's attention to real-world usability. These aren't gimmicks designed for showroom appeal. They're practical features that enhance comfort, convenience, efficiency, and long-term ownership satisfaction. The surprising part isn't that these features exist, it's how many Pathfinder owners never take full advantage of them. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which hidden Nissan Pathfinder feature surprised you the most? Are there any other Pathfinder features you've discovered that fellow owners should know about? Share your experiences and opinions in the comments below. Your insights could help other drivers get even more from their SUVs. If you enjoyed uncovering these hidden Pathfinder secrets, be sure to subscribe to Motor Maven and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest vehicle updates, reviews, comparisons, and automotive deep dives. Thanks for watching. If you thought the Nissan Pathfinder was impressive, wait until you see the next vehicles we're covering. Tap one of the videos on your screen right now and keep the adventure going with Motor Maven.